And that's why the metaphysical... Well. Look what the cat dragged in. No point in just standing there. Get to your seat. You do know what time it is, don't you? The word late doesn't even begin to cover it. It's near the end of the class. Well, since you can't seem to find the time at the beginning of the school day, I guess you'll find some time at the end. After class, you will report here for after-school detention. You understand? Good. Now, there are only a few minutes left, so I'll quickly go over your assignments. Chapter 4 and 7 will be important readings, as it will tremendously help you for your exams. Also, your essay on human sexual reproduction versus plant sexual reproduction will be due on Friday. And I will not be giving any more extensions. I've already moved this essay back 2 days. Everybody understand? Good. Oh, that is all. See you all tomorrow. Well, come in. There's no use sulking outside my doorway. You're here to make up for time, not waste more of it. Okay, get out your books. We're going to go over chapter 4 and 5 together. Might as well catch you up on the work that's due right now. We can go over all the past missed work later, when we're closer to the exam. Listen, just because you've managed to scrape by on previous assignments does not mean you don't need this. If you're going to act like an irresponsible child, I'm going to treat you like one. Only adults who attend class on time will be shown that kind of respect. Why do I single you out? Well, because unlike the other few who are racing for last place, you actually show some promise. I can see the potential in you, even with your less than stellar attitude. I figured since I'm here grading papers, I might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I want to mold you into the perfect little student in no time at all. Well, raising your average will raise the class average as well. So technically, this is doing myself a favor, making me look even better as a teacher. Everyone has motives, my dear. At least mine will help another. Now, no more talking. Read chapter 4 and tell me when you're finished. We will go over it together, and I can answer any questions you might have. Are you bored? It's barely been 5 minutes. No, I won't read it to you. What do you want me to do? Go all the way out of my way and make you an audiobook? You're just going to have to suck it up. I'm sure this isn't the first time. Oh, you like my voice? Well, I'm flattered. Maybe if you came to class on time, you would be listening to a lot more of it. Tell you what, I have an idea. Once you finish chapter 4, I will quiz you. I will ask you a question, and if you get it correct in time, you can in turn ask me a question. Yes, basically hearing me talk is going to be your reward. I knew you'd be intrigued. Now, back to reading. How many wrong can somebody get in one essay? These papers are terrible. Done? Already? Did you just skim through the chapter? You do know you have to get the question right if I ask you one, in order for you to ask me one. All right, fine. Let's do this. Let's see if I can wipe that cocky smile off your face. Also, remember, you can't peek at the book. So close it, put it on the corner of the desk. Good. You still feeling confident? Fine. Question 1. What is inflorescence? Okay, correct. All right, you may ask away. Yes, I am single. Aren't you a little old to take the 21 questions route? You're right. I didn't specify what type of questions. Fair. Okay. Next time, I'll pay attention to the loopholes, I guess. Yeah, I have a feeling you're always looking for them. Question number 2. What are the flower male and the female productive organs called? Okay, very nice. I'm afraid to say this, but your turn. Jumping right into the deep end, eh? Well, yes, I've had a handful of sexual partners, but only one major relationship. Well, to be honest, my teaching career has been my main focus. Sorry. Only one question at a time. You'll have to answer my next question correctly if you want me to answer another one of yours. There are the rules, darling. Sorry. Question number 3. What is the process of formation of microspores from a pollen mother cell called? I'm impressed. Correct. Either you were actually reading or you're just very, very lucky. Now, shall I answer the question you tried to ask before? All right. Well, it didn't work out because we just kept butting heads. I like to take a more dominant role. And well, so did she. That's why I think I like teaching, as it allows me to take control. What? No snarky comeback this time? Is that a blush I see? Wow. Interesting. Okay, fine. 2 more questions, and if you get them both right, I'll let you go early. Question number 4. What are the 4 kinds of pollination? Oh, I thought I had you there. You were correct. There are only 3. Okay. I tried to trick you. All right. I am ready for your next question. Yes, my dominant personality does translate into the bedroom as well. Are you trying to poke the bear by chance? Well, it wouldn't be very dominant of me to follow you into your little roost now, would it? I don't reward brats. Okay. Now, I answered your question. So now here is your final question. What is inbreeding depression and how is it avoided? Well, you've thoroughly impressed me. You see, I knew there was an exceptional student hiding in there. So now, what is your final question for me? And remember, it's your last question, so you better make it count. How do I show my dominance in the bedroom? You know, it's better to show someone than try to explain that. But that's only for good students who show up for their class on time. Well, that's it for today's review. You've shown me what you're capable of. I tell you, in thinking about it, I will come up with a better reward system to keep you motivated. Tomorrow after school, I think you'll like this. We will review human sexual reproduction. So, don't be late. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening to the audio. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Part 2 of this series is not safe for work. So it's going to be on my Patreon. If you're looking for my Patreon, it's patreon.com/depravedheroes. It's also listed below in the description of the video. See you next time.